All right, I got the HEANTLE Store Smart Lock. It's a smart doorknob that gives you several options to unlock it, and it all works off of an app. And this was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. So let's take a look at what we get here. It came very nicely packaged in this box with everything in its own separate styrofoam container. Got all the screws we need right here. They even give you a screwdriver, the plunger device, which is set for a 60mm door. You can actually unscrew it, pull it out, lock it back into place for a 70mm door. And then got a strike plate. We have the plastic piece that goes inside the strike plate. And this thing has plenty of different ways to open it. They give you 2 key fobs, 5 keys. It'll actually function as a mechanical lock. The inside portion of it right here, which has a little weather seal on the back. Inside we have a little switch here. In case your plunger goes to the right or it goes to the left, you can switch it. And it runs off of 4 AA batteries, which go in right here. And in the event that the batteries wear out, there is a charging port on the outside portion. The outside portion of it also has weather sealing on the back, nice weather sealing. You can use the keypad to get in and a fingerprint ID on the top too. And I believe you program this all through the app. You get a set of instructions that'll help you through the programming it and getting the app. And here's a template in case you have a brand new door and you need to cut a doorknob hole in. Let's get this thing installed. Remove the old hardware. There's a side that says up. Make sure you have that side facing up. All right, part 2, we're gonna put this guy on. Run the cable underneath of everything and make sure you put this little plunger in first. Make sure that it is in the position where it's going to fully put the bolt out when it turns. You're gonna put this plate on. This thing goes through the hole. This thing goes through this hole. They give you 4 of these screws. They're all identical, so just use 2 of the longer screws. And make sure that this lip is sticking out. I'm going to put this piece on. So it looks like my door bolts to the right. So I'm going to change this toggle switch right here over to the right, which it already is. This guy right here into there. And I'm going to use the other 2 screws and put them right through here and lock it down. Here's another pro tip right here. Before you put this on, make sure this thing's turned all the way to the left if your door's opening to the right. It works. Now if we go over here to the keypad, it comes pre-programmed. So if I hold the pound button here for 2 seconds, and you don't have to press these buttons very hard, just press it. Tells you it's locked, and then it comes pre-programmed with code 123456 pound. And you don't have to press them very hard either, you just press them. Now we just got to download the app and add an administrator and program it. All right, so I had a choice of these 2 apps. I downloaded the NextLock app right here. Pretty easy to use, pretty easy to read. And this is pretty cool. Using the app, I was able to set up my thumbprint. It's kind of like when you're using a phone. You know, you have to do it several times until it recognizes your thumbprint, but here we go. Look at that, unlocked. And remember, it gave us 2 of these cards right here. So using the app, I was able to assign this card to myself. So I set up an admin for this lock, and since I've done that, the code that it came with, the 123456 pound, was automatically deleted since I set up my passcode. So if you're looking for a smart lock for your front door, your back door, French doors, whatever, this one works pretty good. Check out this one by HEANTLE. Check it out.